Hello, everyone. Has your internet sound speakers just quit working? Because mine did. And this was on a Windows 11 unit. And I actually have two Windows 11. And they both at the same time stopped playing audio on like YouTube. Okay. So I got on the internet and I did a bunch of searches, and there's always the default answer that everyone says to come into your audio and in the device managers and check for let's see here, speakers, to check for update the drivers. And there was even suggestions on the internet to uninstall the driver, reinstall. I tried it, it didn't work. Let's show you what was going on. So this is a video on my computer that I've recorded of my stepson and I messing around. I'll just show you this.
If I get a star for that, oh my gosh.
Okay, that volume's working. Here is the same video on YouTube. No volume whatsoever. All right, you can see right here. This was not muted. The volume's all the way up. We shouldn't have to monkey with this because you just heard the volume on the actual video itself. Here, I can come here. Let's see. Let's just click this once. Hey, what is this? Okay, we have volume. All right. I love that sound, by the way. Okay, so nothing on the internet was giving me the answer. And, this is something that Windows 11 just decided to do on its own to me. So if you come in here, if you right-click on your volume, you're going to open your volume mixer. And right here was the problem. Mozilla Firefox is muted. I didn't mute this. And like I said, I have two Windows 11 units, and Windows 11 did this to me on both units at the same exact time. I was not able to listen to YouTube videos. So we're going to uncheck this. Now let's go back to internet.
It's all because of this dude. You're an idiot, you know that?
Our insurance is going to be after his insurance to get payment for that. Well, I mean, if it were our car, which it is not. All right. Of course, you can watch that video on my YouTube. Anyway, what took me longer to figure this out is, I think if I close my internet browser, yes, okay, that's what took me so long to figure this out. If I open the volume mixer and I come in here, my internet browser does not show up. Now, of course, I'm using Mozilla Firefox. You might be using something else, maybe the default, whatever it is that comes with Windows. If your browser is closed and you come in here, it doesn't show up. So you're going to spend all day trying to find where the problem is. It took me a while. Finally, I went in there with the browser open. Oh, that's the other thing. With the browser open, I had spent time going, oops, my mouse just jumped. I had spent time going in the settings, went through all this, trying to find volume. I spent a lot of time in there because I couldn't find it in here. It wasn't until I had the browser open, went into Open Volume Mixer, and there it is. So just click that, and then your internet browser volume will work again. This is the kind of crap that obviously Microsoft did this. I didn't do it, and it happened on two devices. Anywho, that's it. Hope it helps.